ASL Fingerspelling Secrets I wish I'd been taught. Fingerspelling more than one word. When you are fingerspelling more than one word, such as a title or your first and last name, you will pause on the last letter of each word and will slightly open your hand to neutral and close to the first letter of the next word as you land in the second position, half an inch away. You will always be moving away from your center line, which means toward the outside. If you're right-handed, move over a half inch to your right, and if you're left-handed, half an inch to your left. It's important to note that while fingerspelling, you will not drop your hand until you are completely finished with fingerspelling. Let's go over some examples. For the first one, let's use one of my favorite memes from Elf. I just like to smile. Smiling's my favorite. I just like to smile. My favorite. Now notice, even after spelling all of those words, I'm still only slightly over. You can see here, I'm still not very far away from where I started in my original position. So moving over just half an inch at a time, maybe even less, you're able to accomplish that. I'm divulging all the secrets to fingerspelling in American Sign Language, so subscribe to Sign with Courtney.